Shortener. How to install link shortener about pages and QR code scripts. So don't forget, please you should like, share and subscribe to this video. Now the the link shortener is a premium URL shortener, is a PHP URL shortener script packed with many unique features. It allows you to shorten a long link into short smart link that you can use to monitor clicks and optimize your marketing campaigns. It provides you many unique tools to quickly bootstrap a link shortening website. Some of the features include geo-targeting, device targeting, premium membership, powerful dashboard and admin panel, and a series of CMS tools to help you build your dream. It is being actively developed for over 9 years, so this means it will keep getting better and better with each update. So that's that on that. And also note that I will be using code list but to download this script, but don't forget the code list is just for testing purposes. You should use link in the below video to download to request me to download for you, but I will be using code list for testing purposes. Now my first go to codelist.cc, then next I click on my search button, I search for link shortener, link shortener and about pages. Then I click my enter. So I select this, I click on it. Then I move my cursor down to select one of any of this link, but I will choose this. But note, this link is unclickable, that's why I copy it. I open a new tab, then paste it there and click my enter. So here is it. I then click on download for it to download. It has finished downloading, then I can close it from this place. Let me go to my download. Here is it. Then because this is a raw file, let me open it. Open. So next I click on close, then I extract it. Okay, it has finished extracting, so I can close this now. This is it. Let me open it. I open it. This is the file I'm looking for, but it's already a zip file. So I will transfer this to my cPanel like that because it's already a zip file. I don't need to unzip it and zip it again because it's already a zip file. Next I go to my domain, I go to my web hosting domain site, then service, I click on my services. So then next I move down and I'm going to my subdomain that I've already created. So next I go to my file manager, here is it. I click on it. Oh, let me go back. I should click on my cPanel. I click on my cPanel. Then next I go down files, under file I click on my file manager. Yes, here's where I'm coming. So I've already created a subdomain. Here is it. I open it. So I've already uploaded the zip file which is main, but let me show you the way I uploaded it. I click on upload. Then I select file. I click on select file. Here is it. I come here. I click on it. Double click on it and I select this, then open. But because I've already uploaded it, so I will close this. I don't need to do that. Here is it. After that I extract. I right click, then I click on extract. Okay. Now okay, everything is in order, then I close it. Here is it. Next I will go back to my database. I will go to my database. Okay, databases, my SQL databases. I click on it. Then here I create the name of the database I want to use. The name of the project I want to create, let me name it this. Then I create database. So the name already exists. Okay, let me name it again. Initially there is a database with this name, so I've deleted that, so I'm renaming it. Okay, create database. It has already created, then added the database. Then I go back. I click on the go back. Next I will add a user. let me add this as a user. My password, I click on create user. Then I click on my go back. I've created database, I've created the user. Next, I will add the user to the database. I will make sure I choose the database user, the one I just created. Here is it. The database name, the one I just created. Here is it. Then I add. I give up privileges. Then I come down. Make changes. I click on make changes. So it has been successful. I click on go back again. Then I now go to my subdomain. I go to my subdomain. Yes, from here. Then I click on cPanel. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video, and use link in description to purchase the script. Also remember that I'm using code list for testing purposes. And use link in description to hire me to help you install the script. So I move down. I'm going to my data, my domains. Yes, domains. So next, then I go to my subdomain. Yes, here is it. Continue. Okay. /main. Proceed. Purchase code. As I said earlier, I'm using this as a testing purpose. Because it's a testing purposes, I write nil. Proceed. So my database name, localhost. Localhost. Database name. Let me go to the database. The database name. Okay, here is it. I copy it. Control copy. I paste it there. Database user. I move down. Password. Service no. Security. Okay. This is for testing, so I just proceed. So I didn't email. Let me say this. admin email. Let me just use let me just say this. Let me admin password. Let me just say this. So site URL. Let me say this. This is it. Then proceed. Okay. Close this. Visit your site. So next, let me go back to my cPanel, my file manager. I open this. I select all. Then I move. I right click. Then I move. I'm moving to the main root folder. Yes. Then move. So up one level. Yes. Everything is now in the main root folder. Let me go back to my this thing. So I click on enter. This is my dashboard. So I can just about pages. I can click on my get started. So an account is already associated with this email. Okay, because that's my that's the because that's the credentials I use in registering in the first instance. So I can create another database, another person. But let me just okay. Let me click on login. I click on login. Login. So this is my dashboard. This is my admin dashboard. About pages, QR code, admin panel. So for I will now come to the end of this video. Don't forget to use the link in the description to purchase this script license. Also remember that I'm using code list for testing purposes. And please like, share and subscribe to our videos. Also look link in the description to hire me to help you install the script. Thank you for watching.